Victorian parks, a zoo and city panoramas aplenty. We're ticking off Hong Kong's 10 best easy walks right here on Drone and Phone. Well, welcome to another episode of our easy walks. We're getting Muloy up and going in Hong Kong. How are you feeling today, Muloy?
Feels easy.
Well, this is an easy one, in fact. We're starting as high up as you can get on Victoria Peak, and we'll be slowly working our way down with a little bit of a loop around and down to Admiralty. It's not going to be a long one, it's going to be a nice and easy, steady one, mainly on concrete, but with a few paths. Time to get going.
Great, let's go.
Despite its reputation as a bustling metropolis, Hong Kong offers a wide choice of scenic hiking trails that traverse mountains, coastal cliffs and tranquil islands, providing an unexpected but enjoyable way to explore the city's natural beauty. In this series we've chosen 10 easy hikes that get you around the region without too much stress on the body. Muloy, who is relatively new to Hong Kong and hiking, is our guinea pig. Today we start high up, as close to the peak of the peak as you can get to the tallest point on Hong Kong Island. You can either walk up there from the peak tower, or as we did, take a taxi right up to the gate of the radio station and then follow the path. From here, there's a spectacular view across the island, a great place for a coffee to start the day. After breathing in the morning panorama, we make our way down Mount Austin Road to a lookout above Victoria Peak Garden, and it's here I get to show off my local knowledge. So Muloy, what we're seeing from here is Llama Island, the greatest place in the world, and Pok Phulam down there. We've got this fantastic spread of the South District, not quite as far down as Aberdeen. You can just see the towers of the housing blocks down near us there, and we're going to work our way slowly around and down on the other side, so we're not going to get too many views of the South, so enjoy it.
Cool.
Originally the gardens for Mountain Lodge, the Governor of Hong Kong's summer residence, the Peak Gardens are a real throwback to Hong Kong 100 years ago. So the Peak Gardens is really somewhere where you want to spend some time. First time for you, Muloy, how is it?
Yeah, it's very pretty. It's very pretty. It's it's something that you have to stop by and spend a few minutes here.
It will give you a very good look at how Hong Kong used to be some time ago. Now from here, we've been in the gardens. We're going to go back up onto Governor's Walk. We'll be looping back around and starting to make our way round to the Peak Tower. From the gardens we take the Governor's Walk along a wooded path down to the junction of Harlech and Lugard Roads. You could go either way to loop back to the Peak Tower, but turning right along Lugard Road is much more rewarding.
It's like a painting, and the colors are like pastel, like muted pastel. This is a painting that's done by a lady artist. Very pretty.
Along the road there are plenty of things to look at, from magnificent mansions to statues and unique trees. The road was built at the start of the 20th century and named after Sir Frederick Lugard, Governor of Hong Kong at that time. The farther you walk, the better the views get. Well, along Lugard Road you're going to get some of the best views of Victoria Harbour. How is it?
Lots of majestic views.
Pastel colours, as he says. No, it is absolutely stunning, and this for me is one of the best spots to do it. Between here and the Peak Tower we're going to get this view for a fair bit. It's going to be covered by the trees a bit later on, but it is really something quite spectacular. Don't forget your cameras. The Peak Tower and the Galleria have plenty of food options if you want a break. There are places hidden away to have a packed lunch with a majestic view if you search hard enough. From there, carry on down a path signposted to the old Peak Road. Well, that's the first half done. We did about 5 kilometres and had a nice coffee break up at the peak. Now we're on our way down. We're going down Old Peak Road. We've come up a little ways to see Barker Road Station, which is right here, an old tram stop that looks absolutely beautiful, and fantastic views of course down over Central. From here we're going to go down Old Peak Road right the way down towards the edges of Admiralty, and then go through the Botanical Gardens and Hong Kong Park before we spill out at the MTR station. Let's get going. The Botanical Gardens are built on a steep incline which you descend through, taking time to look at the animals and birds. If you have kids, this gives them a burst of energy just at the time they're starting to tire. Getting from the Botanical Gardens to Hong Kong Park should be easy given their proximity, but involves crossing a spaghetti junction that is tricky but possible. Like the Peak Gardens, Hong Kong Park has a feel of the past, but the park itself is relatively new, having opened in 1991, built on the site of British Army barracks. Walk through the park to reach Pacific Place and the Admiralty MTR station. Well, that's the end of this episode, Muloy. We've done about 9 kilometres. How was the walk for you?
Well, it's fun. Downhill from the tram station. It was a bit tough on the knees, but there's a lot to see along the trail.
And we're finishing now in Admiralty. If I just turn around, just behind us there to the MTR. Well, if you're just finding this for the first time, you're going to find all of our other episodes nicely catalogued on our website at droneandphone.com, which we've just revamped, and on our YouTube channel by searching Drone and Phone. For now, my name's DJ.
I'm Muloy.
This is Drone and Phone.